Hello, I'm Thomas Hartmann from the Qt company, and I'm a software engineer working on the Qt Designer. And I will show you how to build a small coffee machine UI easily with the Qt Designer. This is the UI that we created for the coffee machine in our Qt Designer. And just to give an idea how it works, we model all the application states of the UI using Qt states. As you can see here, this is how the UI starts up. You have an initial state, and then you select one of those coffees. Then you are in the selected state, where you basically get a preview, like how much milk and coffee there will be. And then you can continue from that to have the settings screen, where you have detailed settings for the sugar and milk. And yeah, that's the way basically we modeled all the UI. So you can easily go through this in the Qt Designer. And let me show you one more thing. We have, for example, also the cup. And this is the cup that you just saw. It's a component of this cup. Let's turn off the question mark cup. And now here you see basically the cup with all the milk levels. And we modeled all of this with the Qt Designer. And we have this nice split view. I will just show you that. Now we see the code in parallel to the UI. And now we could, for example, we can play around with the milk amount here. And you immediately see the update in the UI. You can play around with the coffee amount or the sugar amount. And you immediately see how the UI reacts to that. And we did most of this with bindings and anchors. And you could all the time tweak all those nice bindings and see how it works. And you get an immediate update of your design. So, and now let's see this application also in action. This is the UI you just saw running on an iMac 6 UI device. As you see, we start where no coffee is selected. Now we can go through this list and choose, for example, a latte. And we immediately see what the latte basically would look like, how much coffee it has, and so on. We can choose now an espresso. We go on to the next screen by pressing a button. And now we can change the level here again, adjust it for our taste. We go on to brew that. We have to put in the cup into the tray. We continue. And now we basically get this brewed for us by the coffee machine. And then we are back to the starting screen. Thanks for watching.